What's up everyone, welcome back. Today we're unboxing something huge, something powerful and something absolutely premium, the TCL 85-inch QD-MiniLED Google TV. If you have been searching for a cinema level TV experience at home, then this is one unboxing you don't want to miss. Let's get straight into it. Right here we have this massive carton, and trust me, just the packaging alone tells you this is no regular TV. Carefully cutting through the straps and seal, we gently open the box from the top. Everything inside is neatly arranged, properly protected and well organized. TCL really did a solid job with the packaging. At the very top of the phone we find the TV legs and accessory. Inside the accessory box we have the premium remote, the power cable, the user manual and warranty card, batteries for the remote, everything you need to get started right out of the box. Now lifting out the outer carton straight up, and boom, here is the beast itself. This TV is absolutely massive. The screen is fully protected inside thick foam layers, ensuring maximum safety during transport. Due to the huge 85-inch size, this TV definitely requires at least 2 people to carry it safely. Never attempt to lift this alone. You could damage the TV or hurt yourself. So with 2 people, we gently lift it out and place it flat on a soft surface, ready to fix the legs. At this point we have 2 installation options, wall mounting, leg stand setup. For this setup, we are going with the leg stand option. Align the legs with the slot underneath the TV. We simply slide them in and tighten them with the screws. And just like that, solid, firm and very stable. Now carefully lifting the TV. I'm gently placing it on the TV stand. Now let's plug it in and power it on. We are greeted with the TCL logo followed by the Google TV logo, which means we are running on Google's latest smart TV platform. Here we'll go ahead and select language. Then we'll set our region, that's our country. Setup type, basic setup for now. Then we have the Wi-Fi, skip for now. Accept Google terms and services. Remote pairing, quick and seamless. Accept TCL privacy policy and permissions. Just like that, here we have the Google home screen, clean, soft, fast and extremely user-friendly. You get access to YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus and thousands of other apps from Google Play Store. Everything feels fluid and premium. Now let's talk about the star of the show, QD-MiniLED technology. So what is QD-MiniLED? QD-MiniLED combines quantum dot color technology with mini-LED backlighting. What does that mean for you? Extremely high brightness, deep true blacks, stunning contrast, more precise local dimming, better HDR performance, richer and more vibrant colors. In simple terms, you get cinema-grade picture quality right inside your room. Perfect for movies, sports, gaming, YouTube and streaming. This display is designed to impress. If you are looking for a premium big screen TV experience, the TCL 85-inch QD-MiniLED Google TV is definitely worth considering. If you're enjoying this unboxing, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe for more tech reviews and turn on the notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.